Hello, it is Friday the 9th of March 2018, and in this video I'm going to look at the latest EuroMillions result and see if I can find possible reasons why these numbers came out and make a prediction what numbers are going to come out next. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll notice that this part of the chart has now changed because I've added filters for the individual machines and sets of balls. Now, when we look at the draw history, you'll find that there's three machines that they use on the EuroMillions. They use machines 1, machine 3 and machine 11. Now, there's three machines, and I think that machine 11 should be machine 2. So wherever it says machine 11, I've changed that to machine 2 because it just makes more sense. Because if you've got three machines, you're not going to call them machine 1, machine 3 and machine 11. Obviously it'll be 1, 2 and 3. So I think 11 is 2, basically, written in Roman numerals or something. But anyway, now that I've got the ability to filter out the draws and the occurrences of numbers where certain machines have or have not been used, then I can get a chart for instance, if we just look at machine 3. Hold on a second. So a chart for machine 3 looks like this, and now if we narrow it down to the set of balls that was used in the last draw, which was set of balls number 3, then we get a picture that looks like this. So if we look at where the numbers were in the last draw, then that's where they were. So you can see reasons why those numbers came out. Now let's look at a chart for all machines and all sets of balls, and just go as far back as when the numbers went up to 12. The star numbers went up to 12. Now on this chart you can see the most overdue for its frequency on the star numbers is number 9, and the second closest to that top right corner is number 2, and both those numbers came out. So now you know why. Now if we look at the main numbers, this is a chart for the main numbers, and that's where the winning numbers were. So obviously you can see why 26 and 20 came out, because 20 and 26 both overdue for the frequency, nearest top right corner on the edge of the chart. So straight away you can see why 20, 26 and star numbers 2 and 9. Well, that's not what I predicted. I was predicting 37, and then numbers to go with 37 would be 27 and 16, because that's the most overdue pair. Also 33 is looking good with 37 on this chart. But anyway, back to these numbers. Looking at a chart for all machines and all sets of balls, Then you can see number 44, one of the most frequent numbers there. Also again 26, close to top right corner, equals most overdue for frequency. See, nearest to that top right corner, but I was going more for 37 because I think that's nearer, but anyway, 26 came out. And you can see there's 44, second most frequent. So if we look at numbers paired with 26, then let's see where the winning numbers were. That's where they were. You can see also the star numbers 2 and 9. And that's where they are in relation to the other numbers. But anyway, let's narrow it down to machine 3. That don't really tell us much. Okay, chart 4, number 20. So you can see star number 9 on the edge of that chart. So if we look at machine 3, you can see again 26, most overdue for its frequency. And it's going to be machine 3 for the whole month, because they only change the machines once a month. So like last month it was machine 2, set of balls 1. This month it's machine 3. Now what I find really interesting about machine 3, this chart for machine 3, we've got 33, 16, 27 all on the edge of the chart. Look, and there's 37 close to the edge as well. And let's look at the chart now. Now 26 has dropped. So these three numbers with 37, see there's 33 on the edge of that chart, and when we look at the full chart, see there's 33 again, 27 and 16. So I'm predicting, never mind these last numbers from last draw, I'm predicting 37 is going to come out, and 33, 27 and 16 are going to come out with it. So the question is, if I pick these numbers, what numbers do I pick with them? Well, this is the full chart. You can see where 37 is. You can see it's most overdue for its frequency. Number 4, second most overdue for its frequency. And on the chart for machine 3, what we got? Let's have a look at the set of balls 3. So on that one, 37's most frequent. And then we've got 27 on the edge. And I've got a feeling maybe number 4, because I keep seeing that one near the edge. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. So I'm going to have these numbers: 16, 27, 33, 37. So I think 37 is probably most likely to come out. So number 37, set of balls 3. See, there's 27 on the edge, 16 on the edge, and so I just need a number to go with that one. I think 23. Yep, 23 again on that one. Machine free. Where's 23? Let's do a quick search for number 23. Okay, there it is, sorted in the middle. So yeah, I think I'll have 23 with those. That looks good. Right, so now let's look at star numbers since they went up to 12. See, 33 is most overdue at the moment as well, so that's good. But anyway, right, let's eliminate the main numbers and look at the star numbers. Right, so we've got 3 most frequent, 6 most overdue, also 4 on the edge. Okay, paired with 16, that's what that one looks like. 27. 2 keeps coming up on these charts. Not that one though. 23. Yeah, I keep seeing number 2, so let's have star number 2. Let's see what's good with number 2. Maybe number 5 or number 1. Number 5 sorted in the middle. Yeah, number 5 second on that one. Not really outstanding on that one. Overdue on that. Most frequent with 37. So yeah, number 5. So that's my numbers that I'm going to put on in tonight's draw. So that concludes this video. Subscribe for the next one, and bye for now.